popular Halloween costumes for this year will include those characters from the Disney hit movie Frozen. You know, Princess Anna, Elsa, Kristoff, Olaf the Snowman, Sven the Reindeer, and Hans the Handsome Royale. Instead of purchasing the typical and costly Disney costume, be unique and build your own snowman, Olaf. For all of my reseller friends out there, my daughter and I made these Halloween costumes with different size t-shirts and sold them for profit on eBay. To make an Olaf the Snowman Halloween costume for boys, girls, and even adults, the supplies needed include a white t-shirt, orange, white, and black felt sheets, a white baseball cap, white sweatpants. If you'd like to make a 3D nose for the snowman, you will want a 12-ounce bag of stuffing or polyfill. You will need scissors, a hot glue gun and glue sticks, and then black pipe cleaners for Olaf's hair. After the supplies are gathered, trace the circles onto the colored felt sheets. You can use the bottom of soup cans or drinking glasses to make sure the circles are perfectly round. You will assemble the eyes as shown using the hot glue gun. Place the completed eyes, eyebrows on the baseball cap and glue them in place. To make a three-dimensional nose for Olaf, cut a piece of orange felt, roll it into a cone shape, and then stuff with polyfill. Attach the nose to the top of the cap rim using hot glue. Add Olaf's hair to the top of the cap by using black pipe cleaners. Pierce the top of the hat, making a hole slightly smaller than the pipe cleaner to push through. Allow enough give on the underside of the cap so that the pipe cleaner can be attached to stay in place. Glue the 3 larger black felt circles on the front of the white t-shirt. And for fun, complete the costume by using a top hat as a trick-or-treat bag. Do you have a better idea? Leave a comment below and let me know. Subscribe to my channel for many more fun Frozen Halloween costume ideas, including carving your own Olaf the Pumpkin. For step-by-step instructions, head on over to my blog at costumecrafty.blogspot.com. If you enjoyed this video and are ready to build your own snowman Olaf, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below and let me know how it turns out. As I mentioned previously, I am a reseller on eBay, Poshmark, Facebook, Mercari, and Amazon. I have created these costumes and sold them in the past. So resellers out there, if you're a little crafty like me, go ahead and get to it. Now's the time to list your Halloween costumes. I will link another homemade Halloween costume idea here. Continue watching.